Alright, so this is an old half-dollar roll from the 1960s. Let's take a look at these one by one and see what we got. $1957D, $62 Denver, $62D, $60 Denver, $62D, $52D, $1963D, $1951 Denver, $61D, $63D, $1962 Denver, $54D, $59 Denver, $61D, $63D, another $63D, $58 Denver, and $1958D.